fun if I don't fall in. How do you think I should do this?
Alright, go over the top.
What?
Over the top.
Like that?
Yeah, that'd be easier.
Oh no.
Yeah, because that'd be easier than going underneath.
I was thinking about doing that. Like, whoa.
Yeah.
We'll give you the countdown, Jimmy. 10, 9, 8,
I'm kind of nervous.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
I'm scared.
1. Go, Jimmy! Oh, piss on that.
I'm scared. Alright.
5,
I don't want to fall in.
4, 3, initiate engines. 2, 1, launch! Magic! I couldn't help it.
I can't believe I made it.
You did.
I'm kind of impressed with myself.